So the thumb is playing just 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. On the D string, G, B, and E. Starting on the 7 and 5, and then I'm just descending one chromatically, major 7th position, but I'm playing the open E. At minor 7th position, D minor to the A minor, and then here's this is a B diminished, which is going as the diminished 5 chord going to E, E major, descending bass line, and then back to the beginning. Again. La, 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 the Beggar. And then D minor, and that's it. Red eyes tell the story in the pale moonlight. Actually, in the key of A minor. A minor 1, minor 4, diminished 5, and then diminished 2nd chord. But I'm not playing the F. I'm playing that diminished 2nd with that diminished B chord with a minor, excuse me, a suspended E, which would be a 4th, suspended 4th. And that's it, 5 and the bass line. Guitar Bobby, thanks for watching.